Christmas can be overwhelming. Let's be real. Between gifts, decorations, and all the little expenses that pile up, it's easy to feel stretched. That's why I love finding ways to make thoughtful gifts that don't break the bank, like packaging homemade cookies in these beautiful white paper boxes with clear windows. They're simple, clean, and let the cookies inside take center stage. I add a red ribbon for a festive look, and the result is stunning. These boxes are perfect for Christmas or any occasion. And they're budget-friendly too. What I love most about these boxes is how polished and professional they look. When you hand someone a box like this, it feels like you've gone the extra mile. And you have. Whether it's a big box with assorted cookies or a smaller one, it's a meaningful way to show you care. Now, let me show you the cookies I made for gifting. I have a big container filled to the brim with a variety of gingerbread cookies. Each shape represents a different flavor. Classic gingerbread, chocolate gingerbread, and even unique twists like citrus and espresso. Every cookie is decorated with royal icing to match its flavor, adding a festive touch. To keep things fresh and practical, each cookie is individually wrapped in a self-sealing bag. You can find the link to these bags in the description below. This keeps everything neat and tidy, making sharing so much easier without any crumbs or mess. If you're curious about these cookies, check out my gingerbread playlist. It's full of fun recipes and ideas to bake along with me. At first I tried using a simple paper bag with a Christmas print. It looked okay, but honestly, it felt like a last-minute effort. The cookies deserved better. That's when I switched to these white boxes, which were a total game changer. They're easy to store, come flat in packs of a 35 for about $35 and cost roughly 85 cents per box. Far better than tins that cost $5 each and just end up cluttering your cabinets. With these, people can enjoy the cookies guilt-free without worrying about extra packaging. Here's how I put it all together. These boxes are so convenient because they come in one piece. No gluing or complex assembly required. I simply unfold and assemble the box, which takes just seconds. Once it's ready, I start arranging the cookies carefully in 3 neat rows, making sure they fit snugly without any gaps. This keeps them secure during transport and gives the box a polished, professional look. Taking a moment to place each cookie with care really makes the presentation stand out and shows the thought you've put into the gift. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when someone opens the box and sees everything perfectly arranged. It's like giving them a little edible treasure chest. I hope you're enjoying this process of learning how to package homemade cookies affordably and beautifully, as much as I am sharing it with you. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss any of my creative baking and gifting ideas. Do you have a favorite way to package cookies or a creative gifting trick that's been a hit? Maybe a clever idea passed down through your family or something you came up with on the spot. I'd love for you to share it in the comments below. Let's swap ideas and inspire each other to make gifting even more special. Here on my channel, I combine my love of baking with creative presentation ideas, bringing you tips and inspiration straight from my kitchen. From showcasing homemade treats to elevating their packaging, I hope you're inspired to make your next gift both thoughtful and budget-friendly. Thanks for joining me. Let's dive back in and make those cookies look as amazing as they taste. For the finishing touch, I add a red ribbon. My trick: measure the longer side of the box and multiply that length 3 to 4 times. After cutting, I fold the ribbon in half to find the center, then start wrapping it around the top of the box. Crisscross it neatly at the bottom, tie a knot on top, and finish with a bow. If you're feeling fancy, choose a premium ribbon. It'll take the box to the next level and make it feel even more special. This small effort adds a boutique-worthy charm that elevates the entire gift. The result? Absolutely amazing. The box looks so polished and festive. When someone receives this, they'll know you put in the time and care. It's so much more thoughtful than tossing cookies in a paper bag or Ziploc. My daughter even loves gifting small boxes like these to her friends. It's such a sweet and personal way to share homemade treats and spread some holiday cheer. I've included links in the description for these boxes and the self-sealing bags, so you can create this look at home. This is my favorite way to package and gift homemade baked goods. It's practical, elegant, and shows that little extra effort that makes your gift truly meaningful. If you're inspired, head over to my Gingerbread playlist and try out some of my favorite recipes. There are so many delicious flavors to explore. And don't miss my next video where I'll show you how to take gingerbread cookies to the next level by turning them into delightful gingerbread sandwiches with eggnog buttercream frosting. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more holiday baking inspiration. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.